Welcome back to Fireclay Tile and Stone. Today, 3 real shower installs, 3 different tile brands, and 3 very different budgets, so you can see exactly where your money goes when you tile a shower. We'll start with the budget-friendly build. This shower runs large format white porcelain from Daltile, a mass-market tile that gives you a clean, bright, seamless look without the designer price tag. Fewer, bigger tiles mean fewer grout lines and faster installs, which keeps labor down too. Pro tip: large format tile only looks this good over a dead flat wall, so flatten your substrate first, or you'll fight slippage on every edge. Step up to the mid-range, and you get character. This walk-in is going up in handmade-style ceramic from Fireclay Tile, stacked clean and tight, with that slight handcrafted variation mass-produced tile can't fake. But the real story is behind the tile. See the red waterproofing membrane? Every wet wall gets fully waterproofed before a single tile goes up, and the niche and bench are set while we waterproof, never after. That's what keeps a shower leak-free for decades. And at the top end, Ansaks. This dark, moody stand-up shower with a frameless glass enclosure is the detail that sells a whole bathroom. Premium tile, premium finish work, premium price. The deep color hides nothing, so the layout and the grout lines have to be flawless. At this level, the craftsmanship is the product. 3 showers, 3 brands, 3 budgets, and the same truth at every level. Great prep beats expensive tile every time. If this helped, subscribe for real tile walkthroughs every week, and we'll see you on the next one.